In the makeup room. Close. Hey Robert, as Laura comes in and asks me a question, give her a heads up that I am on Facebook Live in case she like blurts out something weird. Hi, Laura.
What was the name of the glove that the witch is wearing? What's the name of it so I can look at visual references for the textures and stuff? Like
Witch King Gauntlet.
Witch King?
Yeah, the Witch King or the Lich King Gauntlet.
Okay, perfect.
The kind that go on backwards?
You don't want the ties in the front.
Right, that's what I...
Yeah, don't do the ties in the front.
Also, I forgot about it. I never act anymore, but I've got like 3 different colors of tooth paint up in my office too.
I would definitely do some tooth paint. Funny is Emerald just showed up, I think, to visit you or something. So you guys could have tagged her for makeup and her make it back. She just loved that.
She didn't text me that she was here.
Emerald's here.
Great.
Better hide. Here, show the camera your face. Now, and you can see your face.
No, I can see my face.
We're gonna grab a different color for some blue veining. No, let's do green. Let's do whatever color I find that's already prepped in a bottle. So hard I work?
Hello, Facebook land. Oh, can't set the camera there.
Oh, listen.
That's Robert.
I work here.
Plug your company.
I thought you were just putting on. I just thought you were putting on like bright red lipstick. I'm like, that's great. That would have been awesome.
And done.
Just about. I'd have given you heroin eyes, and then I'd call you done.
We thought about making him like the guy that's just naked and flings poo, and then we opted against it.
Let's not do that.
I mean, it wouldn't be out of character, you know.
Problem with me finding bottles of makeup that are left over from the last show is that they're not the cleanest bottles. It's alcohol based, so it's not like it's contaminated or anything.
Alcohol disinfectant.
This is actually a Harbor Freight airbrush for those of you guys who are asking. Look up. So my favorite makeup thing that happens is sometimes you'll say look up and people will just use their eyes. It's like, that doesn't help me. Look at me. Kissy face, like, yeah, like a woman would want. Not like that, but I guess that works. Whatever gets you by. Okay, so put your hands up here. Like, do one of these.
I was gonna put them in the jacket.
Oh yeah, they're in the jacket.
You're not gonna
Then
see
get out of the way. Here, show them your face of makeups. On show night, it's hard to keep the airbrush clean enough to get veins that thin. So you normally don't see those on show nights.
I'm up.
You are up, sir. With you, I'm going to go a little different.
Hi, Amber.
Hi, Amber. It's like you're at work or something. Can you put your hair back as much as possible? Do I hear Stacy in there? Hi, Stacy. Do I hear Alex in there? Look up for me.
Ooh, am I like face off?
Well, all right. So one of my favorite, or not one of my favorite characters, but a image that stuck with me. There's a guy who is. It's from Nightbreed.
Yeah.
And he cut off all the skin around his face. And I just thought that was a cool look. And I'm just gonna like mock that with the airbrush. So after you've been doing makeup a while, you can kind of see people's skulls. You have tiny eye sockets, which is good because I think they're more resistant to getting broken. Like if you got punched, I think your skull could take it. I think Jake's eye sockets would fracture far faster than yours, simply due to he has pretty big eye sockets. Yes, that's kind of the plan. Now I'm just doing a big breakup, and the idea is that you do hexagons as a breakup. That's a very common pattern in nature. Now, I don't stick to hexagons. It looks really cool when you do, but I don't. Sometimes I just blow air in their mouth to mess with them. It makes them self-conscious if their lips do the fart noise on camera. Man, they hate that. I don't know that you're done yet, but that's what you look like. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to hit a little harder on your eyes. I tend to go a little light on my first pass because you can always add more. Taking it away eats up valuable show time. Okay, so let me hit your hands. Do me a favor just so they can see them. Put them up on your, yeah, like a dat. How harsh is your lighting?
There's one light source up top and one bouncing off the floor.
You saw the picture that I picked?
Mm-hmm. I'm mimicking those shadows.
Okay, now give me your arms. They're just not going to be able to see this very well, so. Now, you are going to drop the pants for the video, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. If I had $1 every time I had to say that.
You want to spray the legs and the feet?
Yeah, I'll probably want to hit your legs just so it's complete. So a quick way to get the parts of the arms that you never get, point your elbows at me. Do those. Both of them. Just shoot me. Now I can hit this bicep. Hit the bicep. Hit that inner forearm muscle. And you can hit that if they point their elbows to you. Otherwise, people forget. And I just circle the elbow. And this being a little sketchy is completely fine. Okay.
Hands off?
Yes, but I am going to end the video before he takes his pants off. Go ahead and give them a face.
Hey guys.
And the makeup should just accentuate what he does with his expressions and stuff. So that's why I hit the brow kind of light. But okay, I'll talk at you later. And go make stuff.